Today, we are going 0 to 9 with.
Saloni Chen, founder of Celebrating Careers.
Okay. So, she's helping individuals in their careers and making, uh, as her company's name suggests, she's making helping people celebrating their own careers. And the first question that I would like to ask would be, what does your business do? And explain it in one sentence.
I feel that career decisions are the real issues why people fail in their careers. So I help make them right decisions to get into the right career.
Okay. So, what would be your take me back to the beginning, and what would be your founder's journey like? Uh, your Why did you think that this is needed?
I think I was victim of the education system. I actually was. I just started doing things because maybe my parents wanted to me to do something. My relatives had some expectations. My peers were doing something. But during the course of that career, I realized that this is not something I like. Now the bigger challenge was that how do I know what to do next? And when I became a victim of this situation that now a lot of people are, that we don't know what to do in our careers, I went to a lot of people, I asked them for their guidance, and I realized that all their guidance was historical. Everything that they were saying was based on past data, past trends. And the funny thing is, career is a future oriented trend. So you need to know the current real time things happening in careers. Second, career is like a choice. It is not something that somebody can predict. I think nobody can predict career. You have to learn about yourself and learn about the career and then make a choice. It's like marriage, you have to choose a person and then you have to do the hard work. So today everybody is thinking careers like what will I get? But in reality it's like what will I do, my what career can I perform my best? So the approach, the decision making is what was wrong, and I realized that I can actually solve this problem through improving each and every decision that goes into career choice. So that's what I do. I make sure that I help people in all the aspects of career decision making throughout their journey, starting from class 8 standard to their professional outcome. So a lot of people at different age groups, I'm able to help because I understand the whole journey on why a person is successful in a career, why people go and do the hard work in a career, and why people fail in a career and take a U-turn.
Okay, so this answers our third questions, that what gaps did you see? So now we move to the fourth questions. That would be, what are the major challenges that you are currently facing in your business right now?
I think the biggest challenge that I'm facing is that counseling or taking help is a taboo market. You will never tell anyone that I have got help in career because that makes you feel like I'm dumb. This is the biggest problem because even if I have done the best of efforts, still this is something that people don't share. So initially I thought that word of mouth would be great, but even in career is like a mental health issue. We do not celebrate it, we do not talk about it. If my child is going through an issue, I'll never share it with anyone unless and until. And second biggest challenge is everyone is an advice giver. Nobody understands career in depth, but everybody will have an opinion on career, and we do not understand that career opinions are different than career advice. So it has to be something which requires a lot of depth, requires a lot of hyper personalization, which is missing.
Okay, so according to my understanding, what I can understand is, it would rather be marketing. Individual person marketing would be better than a referral. It's not going to be a much a referral business for you.
Till now, I have got a lot of referrals only. But
But
if you
as you
imagine
talk,
that
yeah,
the amount of referrals are very low.
yeah,
So it's not like people will never refer, but the people talking about that thing is very low
because if
percentage.
people are not open and they think about this as a taboo, so I would think that people don't refer it much.
Yes. So
Yeah.
even if you're doing the best, even if you're the best HIV/AIDS hospital or a polio hospital, you would never be able to, you know, attract people because people themselves are not willing to talk about it. So it's like my job is much bigger where I have to raise a lot of awareness, and as a organization we have to talk a lot about it.
Yeah. So where can people learn more about your business? Do you have Insta or a website where can people learn more?
Yes. So you can find me at celebratingcareers.com and on my LinkedIn, which is Saloni Jain. I think I talk a lot about the problems and the philosophy and the solutions. So even if you see, my goal is not that everybody will become my client, but my goal is that even if a person gets help through the kind of information or the kind of content we create, that's the end goal. And my ultimate vision is that nobody should die or make any decision in mental health like any suicide should happen because of career. So that's the end goal because I think career is something we can solve. And my ultimate success would be when we can take out this taboo and we can solve this mental health challenge, which now has become a problem in careers.
Okay, so this means that career is not the end of life, and
No, career is
yeah,
is
you
very
want to
important.
establish.
But
Yeah,
today, if I ask you, what do you mean by career? A stress word will come, right? You associate with stress because you're not in the right career. But when you're in the right career, you feel happy about it. So it's the alignment. We need to understand if I'm in the right place, I'll be happy about it. But if I'm not in the right place, I'm not happy about it. So 99% of the people are stressed about career. So I'm sure that we can help them become happy, finding the right path.
okay, so thanks. It was great meeting with you, and do check her website celebratingcareers.com. And tomorrow we come with another founder, a new founder, new story.
Thank you.